the logical statement, this logical statement which is given is equivalent to. Okay, so let us try to simplify this. So, first we will simplify this negation. So, this can be written as, if you apply the negation inside, this will become negation of, this is OR. So, under negation OR becomes AND. So, therefore, this is negation of P and negation of Q by De Morgan's law. So, this will be like this, or P and R and negation of Q and R. You get it like this. Okay, now this negation of P, this becomes P. So, therefore, this is P and negation of Q or P and R, and this is negation of Q and R. Now, if you see this bracket carefully, you can see that P and is common. So, that is distributive law. So, P and is common. So, this can be written as P and you can write it as common. So, what is left is negation of Q or R. So, this is written here or R. You get like this, and negation of Q and R. This is how you get. Okay. Now, let us see how this can be simplified. Now, you can see that this is AND, this is also AND. Therefore, there is no need for this bracket when it is same operation. Okay. Now, if you look at this and this carefully, now this is in the form, see, negation of Q, R and R. Now, always remember this rule, if you have P or R, and P and R, see, it is exactly in this form, P or R and P and R. Always, again you can use distributive law and you can do, but the answer will be always P and R. And suppose you have OR in the middle, instead of this AND, suppose you have OR, then the answer will be the other one, P or R. So, in this case, P and R is the answer. So, therefore, according to this, this will become this. So, negation of Q and R will be the answer. So, you will get this as P and the AND will be the answer. If this is AND, the term with AND will be the answer. So, it will be negation of Q and R. And again, since it is same operation, so there is no need of bracket. So, therefore, this is same as P and negation of Q and R. Now, this exact same term is found in option C there. So, therefore, option C will be the answer.